Hello there, I am High Pitched, your favorite cheatposter. Today I'm here to teach you something about false errors. False errors are basically error boxes that aren't fucking errors or something. I don't know. Just look at this shit. I'm gonna teach you how to make this. You have to make a text document. Open it and then type this shit. X equals msg box. Write this shit. I'm not gonna read this. Your mom. 0 plus 64. And then your mom. If you write this shit and then save it, as you have to put this, be careful, you have to put this shit on all files. If you don't put this shit on all files, it's gonna break. And then remove the txt and replace it with vbs. Place it on your desktop and then press save. If you open this shit, it's gonna tell something very nice to you. It's gonna say your mom. Very nice. If you open this shit again, this is our title. If I say your fucking title and then write your fucking message, and message, I think I spelled, yeah, I don't fucking care. Okay, and then save as this shit. It's gonna say your fucking title and your fucking message. I don't actually know how this shit works. I don't know a lot of VB script, so I just know this code and I don't know how the fuck does it work. So I can't explain this shit to you. Yeah, that's the video, I guess. And yeah, someone drew a fan art of me, very cool, very cute. And the joke is my name is High Pitched. Haha, guess it's demonic screeching. Haha, funny, very funny, very, yes. Okay, I'm just.
Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks